Telangana government moves to increase backward classes reservation to 42%. NCERT Punjabi textbook faces criticism for errors. Minister urged for actions. Parliamentary committee calls for review of government scholarships and welfare schemes. NEET PG 2025 is to be held in 2 shifts on June 15th. Ireland invites Indian students for education, research and employment opportunities. Hello everyone, welcome to Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao announced that the Congress government is committed to raising the reservation for backward classes in education, employment and political representation from 23% to 42%. The move follows a recent caste survey revealing backward classes make up 56.36% of the state's population. Rao emphasized that this long-standing demand from subaltern groups since independence is finally being addressed. The government has introduced 2 bills to extend the 42% quota across various sectors, including education, jobs and local bodies. This step aligns with Congress 2023 election promise to empower backward classes with greater representation and opportunities in governance and contracts. Punjab Vidhan Sabha Speaker Katlar Singh Sandwan has written a letter to Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan highlighting errors in NCERT published Punjabi textbooks Punjabi Primer. Sandwan pointed that the critical spelling mistakes and factual inaccuracies are real in the book, which is used for Bal Vatika Anganwadi children and adult literacy programs. He stressed that such mistakes misguide learners and weaken literacy efforts. Sandwan called for a thorough review and revision by qualified Punjabi experts to ensure accuracy. He also emphasized the need for robust editorial process in the future NCERT publications to prevent similar errors, which is crucial for success of the foundational education programs. A parliamentary standing committee has criticized the current government scholarship schemes, stating that the annual scholarship amount is insufficient to meet rising education costs. In its report to the demands for grants for 2025-26, the committee urged the Department of Social Justice and Empowerment to collaborate with the Ministry of Education to review and adjust scholarship amount for inflation periodically. It also highlighted discrepancies in welfare program allocations with several schemes unfunded, leading insufficiencies. The committee called for better fund utilization, faster distributions, improved transparency and better coordination between ministers and implementing agencies. Additionally, it expressed concerns about delays in the venture capital fund for SCs and OBCs and recommended further consultations before its discontinuation. The National Board of Examination in Medical Science has announced that NEET PG 2025 will be conducted in June 15th in 2 shifts similar to the last year. The information bulletin detailing eligibility, exam pattern and marking scheme has yet to be released and will be available on natboard.edu.in. Last year marked the first time the exam was held in 2 shifts. The internship completion date for eligibility to appear in NEET PG 2025 is July 31st. NEET PG is taken by approximately 2 lakh MBBS graduates annually for around 52,000 postgraduate seats. Result will be based on normalized scores from both shifts to ensure fairness. Ireland's Education Minister James Lawless has extended a warm invitation to Indian students, highlighting the country's welcoming environment and supportive post-study work visa, with 1 lakh Indian nationals living in Ireland. Lawless emphasized on the country's strong ties with India, particularly in education and employment. Indian students can benefit from a 2-year post-study employment visa, allowing them to seek work in Ireland after completing their studies. Lawless also discussed various scholarships available to Indian students and their significant role in Ireland's STEM industries. The visit aims to deepen collaboration between Ireland and India, fostering trade, education and research growth, particularly in technology and innovation sector. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theENN.com, powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.